Beamerhub is a true one-stop service shop. We take care of your diagnostic, your services, and your performance. Everything your BMW needs gets done here at Beamerhub. Here at Beamerhub, we treat every car like it's our own. We treat every customer like their family. We provide a one-on-one relationship. We give customers the opportunity to ask us questions, and we make sure the clients know exactly what's happening to their car. We continually give clients updates on what's going on with their vehicle, time frame, try to do our best to provide the best 5-star service here at Beamerhub. Here at Beamerhub, we offer a personal relationship with each client, faster check-in, and better availabilities. We offer direct communication, no layers, no runaround, directly to the point. We are the ideal option for out-of-pocket repairs. Some shops do maintenance and repairs on BMWs. Other shops just do performance. Here at Beamerhub, we do everything. Some in-house equipment that we have, for example, we have an all-wheel drive Dyno jet. We have a Hunter alignment machine. We have a Hunter road force balancer and tire changer. In-house transmission builder for your performance transmission upgrade. No outsourcing and no guessing. For all your tuning needs, we are official dealer of Boot Mode, MHD, and Ecutech, making performance done the right way. Here at Beamerhub, we have a strong, consistent feedback from our clients. We have the same clients from day one over 5 years ago. Our clients come from word of mouth. Our priority is building a long-term relationship with each client. Beamerhub is for everybody that owns a BMW. Our clients understand that good service isn't cheap, and you have to remember, cheap service is not good.
At Beamerhub, we're built to be a complete BMW shop. Not just maintenance, not just performance. Everything your BMW needs done the right way at one place. To keep things clear for our customers, we separate what we do into 3 categories: maintenance service, advanced services, and performance.
Regular service and preventative maintenance is about keeping the car healthy and on the road for as long as possible. Some of the regular maintenance that we provide are full synthetic oil changes, tires, brakes, coolant repairs, engine oil leaks, transmission services, transfer case services, front differential service, rear differential service, and the list goes on and on.
This is the type of work that most BMW owners need regularly, and we do it at dealership level or better. Once you move beyond basic maintenance, that's where advanced services come in.
Advanced services are when we're dealing with more involved work and more complex systems. Advanced diagnostics and adaptations, electrical system repairs, transmission and engine replacements, programming and coding. This is where experience, tools, and proper process really matter.
Performance isn't just about adding power. It's about doing it safely, reliably, and the right way. We offer femto unlocks, dyno and tuning labs, track and custom builds, exhaust and sound upgrades, drivetrain and handling upgrades, engine performance upgrades, and full transmission builds. Everything performance related is handled in-house, from planning to testing.
By structuring the shop this way, customers always know where they stand, what's being done, and why. It keeps the process professional and consistent, and that's why we're able to deliver the level of service that we do. The proof is in the results. 5-star reviews only at both locations for 5 years, and that tells us our system works.
When a customer walks in the Beamerhub, our main focus is understanding the car and the person behind it. Every customer comes in with different concerns, so the main goal first is to listen. We want to understand the main issue, we want to understand how you use your vehicle, so that we can set expectations early. A lot of issues occur from miscommunication, and we try to eliminate that from the start.
Most BMW owners are worried about cost, reliability, and being left in the dark. Here at Beamerhub, we are completely transparent. We let you know what needs to be fixed, what's urgent, what can wait till next time.
And we'll keep you involved throughout the entire process. Clear explanations, updates during your repair, photos and videos when needed, and no surprises when you pick up. If there needs to be a change, we'll let you know before we move forward. Most customers tell us they appreciate knowing exactly what's going on with their car. Transparency, honesty, trust, and long-term relationships.
At the end of the day, it is our job to make sure the customers feel confident leaving their vehicles with us.
When someone comes in looking for performance, the first thing we look is at the whole car. Driver goals, they will tell us, what the client is looking for. Supporting mods, we have to inspect the car to see what mods are already in the car and what will be needed to reach his goals. And at the same time, we do have to change for the maintenance history to make sure the car is up to maintenance, it doesn't need any at the moment. And the overall conditions of the car, the chassis and suspensions as well, to make sure the car is up to standards. Skipping any of these steps can lead to problems later on. The biggest mistake the client can do is chasing a number without a plan, adding too much power too quickly, ignoring the supporting mods, and also ignoring maintenance. Our goal is always balance between power and reliability. A fast car that is always broken is not fun. Everything we do, we test it and verify it. This includes Phantom locks, dyno tuning, custom tuning, building engines, and also maintenance. We do everything in-house, anything from a simple build all the way to a complete monster. Performance should make the car better, not harder to live with. That's the approach we take.
So I've been working on BMWs for 14 years. I worked at a BMW dealership for 9 years, and then the rest have been at an independent shop. I got all my schooling through BMW. I also attended Brookdale Community College, and I earned my associate's degree in automotive.
Started working on BMWs in 2012, and I spent 9 years at a dealer. And the last 4 years I've been working here at Beamerhub. A real tech actually cares, takes the time to make sure the job is done right, cleanly, correctly.
The ability to diagnose properly, not just swapping over parts, praying that it's going to work. As we say, firing the parts cannon, it's never a good thing. You always want to diagnose it. You want to confirm your diagnosis is correct. Make sure the car is acting as it should. Guiding all these guys here as shop leader or shop foreman, making sure everything gets done properly to the best quality possible. For me personally, I like rebuilding transmissions now, installing these DIY kits for the Pure, the ETS, the spools, upgrading the transmission and making them perform better is actually something I'm super proud of doing here.
Having a strong team is important because we can all share our ideas, experience, knowledge, and all come together to bring more solutions to the customer.
Everyone comes together, gets everything done properly, the right way, and it creates an excellent work environment. We have music playing all the time. Everyone's always laughing and joking with each other. But at the same time, we still get work done and done the proper way.
I guess what I really like to enjoy working here is honestly the bigger jobs, anything very complex. Building motors, that's also something very enjoyable. I love doing suspensions. I like having fun, man. I like the freedom I have. I just enjoy working here. It's fun. You want me to mention I'm the OG, bro? Come on. I gotta do that. Oh my God. I'm the first employee working here, and I love building and learning new people, what they do. And I just learn from them and they learn from me. You know, I like being here. We all learn from each other, and it's a great environment. We're all friendly to each other. We all have fun with each other, and every day it's like I'm at home. I'm never really leaving. I'm here every day. It's dope.
Former employee, a friend of mine, referred me to Joe, and I landed here. So Joe seen my personal vehicle, see like how everything was well placed in the engine bay. That's one of my cup of teas. We can do performance work, but you want the engine bay to still look nice and presentable. For the past 2 years of me working here, that's one of the things that I do here. I kind of put all the performance modifications together on both F-Series, G-Series, S58, B58, Supras. Yeah, a little of everything.
I started working out of my garage when I had a E46, and then I had a E92. I asked Joe for a job, and then I've been starting working on BMW since then. Started more focusing on BMWs, and working here has been a pleasure. A lot of the guys are pretty talented. They know what they're doing. Everybody specializes in one thing. I guess my specialty are bringing the cars from the dead, bringing them back. That's pretty much it.
I specialize in doing all kinds of work, part replacement, diagnostic, but more specifically, my expertise is with the V8s, the N63 and S63 platform specifically. Any V8s that come into the door, it comes straight to me. We're all super professional, and everyone here is an expert at what they do. They're all great to work with. There's no problems. Everyone gets along great. It honestly really does feel like I'm part of a bigger family, and I love coming into work every day. I love getting to work on cars. I love getting to work with all the guys here, and I wouldn't change this for the world. Bring your car in, you drop it off to get brakes done. They don't see that, we lubricate the pins. They don't see that we clear off all the rust. It's something small, but it does really make a difference in making sure that the vehicle is operating at 100% and keeping it as clean as we possibly can.
I've been working here at Beamerhub for a good while now. All I gotta say is it's been absolutely a blessing. I've been able to make new relationships, call some of these guys my best friends today. Every day I come in and I learn more about these cars.
I like to work at Beamerhub. We have a great environment. We have an awesome team. Everybody works together. Everybody grows together. Everyone tries to help each other, share knowledge, making each other better.
I originally came here because I was going to another shop and they were really sketchy. They wouldn't even give me an invoice. They had me like pay strictly cash. They were screwing me over. I ended up leaving that place with more problems than I had originally came with. So I looked up like local like BMW specialists near me because that was like a general like Euro auto body it's a Euro shop. So I wanted like a BMW specialist, someone that had like real knowledge on like the car, the motor, things like that. I did my own research too because I didn't want to be taken advantage of. So I texted them when they were still in Cranford. I do remember that. I initially like contacted them like, this is what I need and blah blah blah. So I bring the car in. They told me everything that like the car needs to be done. But what I really liked is that like I'm a younger kid, so a lot of other shops see me and they see I have like a not a higher end car, but it's the maintenance costs are a little expensive, so they want to take advantage of it. But I did like how Joe and everyone here treated me like with respect. Like I was just another customer, not like, you know, some stupid kid with money to burn, which I really appreciated. So I come back and stuff too because I like the quality of the work too. Very honest, very open too. Like if there's something like wrong, like Mike would give me like a whole list, like, hey, you got to do this and that. This one's urgent. This is less urgent. But that's pretty much how I found out. Yeah, so people like similar to my situation as well, if they sick and tired of getting like taken advantage of from other places. And I see like they added a bunch of new stuff. I follow you guys on Instagram too. They got a bunch of cool stuff too, like performance oriented things, which
Yeah, we're gonna get you in for a G series.
yeah. I like my 60 though.
Yeah.
But yeah, I definitely would recommend it to anyone.
Last year, we were able to achieve many goals. One of them is growing our team. We added a service manager, which able is to handle a lot of my back-end paperwork and back-end responsibilities, freeing up my time. This way I could focus more on the race cars. Lenny's done an amazing job. We also added 2 high-profile technicians to our service team to help keep the quality work always at the highest level. Here we are building a strong structure which equals quality work. We're not just growing here at Beamerhub, we're growing the right way. For the last 5 years, we've been extremely grateful to keep all of our bays filled with work, every employee busy. But the greatest accomplishment that we achieved in the last year, we were able to successfully repair over 400 cars a month, also maintaining our 5-star Google rating. That shows our clients trust us and keep coming back. So our biggest investment last year was our all-wheel drive Dyno jet. That's going to help us with more in-house builds, better performance and control. Safety, of course, we could get to make all these logs and pulls on the dyno, give accurate numbers to the client, horsepower and torque gains. So we're very excited about that investment. Last year we had our biggest achievements on the racetrack. We currently have the fastest and quickest Gen 1 B58 in the world, and also currently the fastest and quickest 340 in the world. That includes the Gen 2 and 340 at 8.35 seconds at 170 miles per hour. On top of that, we currently have the quickest and fastest X3M in the world at 8.8 seconds at 156 miles per hour. So we're very proud of those 2 achievements and looking to keep on raising the bar and breaking those records again. Yo, Mike, they're picking up the M3. So our vision for 2026 is to finally get our Shop 340 in the 7-second class. Very excited to get that new build on the dyno. Also, we did purchase our own Shop G80. Gonna be an in-house full build, and we're gonna keep that as a consistent mid 8-second quarter-mile car. Have fun with the S58 platform. Gonna be a development car for us, so we're excited about that. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, you're welcome to stop by one of our 2 locations, one in Westfield, New Jersey, and also Roselle Park, New Jersey. One of us will be more than happy to answer all your questions and set you up with an appointment. Let's see you on the next video. Hopefully the next video is more fun. We need burnouts, we need racing, we need fun stuff.
Let's
So here at Beamerhub, our completely transparent and cut. I don't even need a script. Yeah. Get that on tape.
Let's go.
But beep it out.
Once we move beyond man. Everything performance related is handled in-house from planning to testing.
Yo. What's up, bro?
My bad, bro.
Turn that shit off.
From planning to testing. Why can't I get through that man? It's so annoying, bro.
We don't,
Summer and the car. I that up.
Best I like what I like to enjoy working. Damn, I hate cameras, bro. They fucking me up. They me up. They me up, bro. They me up.
It's fun working here with a bunch of the bitches around.
Yo, don't mess up my video.
Yeah, you f***ing up my video over here, bro. You say pretty good, though. They're pretty good. I mean, what the fuck am I supposed to say?
You were saying pretty good. Yo, shut the fuck up.
Pretty good. Alright.
You gonna put that up like that, dog? So the guys around here are pretty good.
Alright. Edit that.
Okay. Alright. Can you just turn your chest all the way here? Don't be like Yo,
Probably.
shut up.
Probably. Oh, now we got a different angle, bro. Now I gotta position myself differently.
Everything
performance related is handled in-house from planning
to
to testing.
Yeah.
Okay.
My experience. What
Give me
the
this
fuck's my
fucking
experience?
Your experience working here, how is it?
Or working
My
on
experience.
cars.
Oh, say shit Monday night.
Wait, no, he was all.
because you wanted to choose me first.
Wait.
Shop foreman was sitting there. Shop foreman was sitting there with his panties in a bunch. He ain't want to do shit.
Not only 13 years.
You didn't say that in the
Say
beginning.
now.
Okay,
That's fine.
hold on. Hold on.
Performance and gravy. If it ain't gravy, I don't want it, baby. I don't know how to start it.
I just asked you a question.
What do I enjoy here most at Beamer?
Yeah. On 3, 1, 2, 3, fucking go.
Yo, get out the video, cuz.
I'm out.
Yo.
Okay, how long have you been working on BMWs?
On BMWs?
Yeah.
12, 14 years? Wow. Jesus. 14 years. God damn, bro. I've been working on BMWs for 14 years. It's crazy.
Bro.
That's almost half my life. I've been working on
My God. Thank you, bro.
Guys, we have a lot of fun. We get a lot of work done. It's ran the right way. And Flouse. I like Flouse. What do you want? What am I supposed to say?
What do you like most about working at Bimmerhub, and why it's being filmed by Floss?
I love when Flouse sticks a camera in my face. What do I like doing at Beamerhub? Why do I like Beamerhub? Are you serious?
Yo,
I have to, bro.
No, you don't.
you see, people have no respect for us here.
None.
What do you like to do most here at Bimmerhub? What kind of service? Besides the piece of shit.
This is what happens when you get old, man. My back is rocking. Rocking, bro. Biofreeze.
¿Usted sabe o que está haciendo o no?
La verdad, no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
That was a great wish.
Woo!
I can tell you my wish, but it won't come true if I tell you.